The Southern Poverty Law Center and the dark money behind it now under intense scrutiny after the group's indictment over allegations it funneled $3 million to racist extremist organizations.
So who was writing the big checks? Roughly $2.5 million came from big-name donors, including George Clooney, Tim Cook, J.P. Morgan Chase, and even contributions tied to Chick-fil-A.
Let's bring in Project 21 Chairman Horace Cooper. Horace, nice to see you tonight. Okay, can I start with that donor list, those names? You know, we're talking about the hot water that SPLC might be in, but if you're one of those donors right now, are you more irate at what they didn't tell you, or are you more concerned about what you might have participated in?
You know, my grandmother always told me, a fool and his money will soon be parted. Here we are, some of the most elite, some of the most capable, competent, financially savvy entities, maybe not George Clooney, but generally speaking, writing handsome checks to an organization that is actually simply creating its own problem. It's almost like having a company that says we deal and we will go anywhere to address toxic waste dumps, only to find out that they bring the toxicity with them so that they have something to do that they can charge handsomely for.
Horace, I'm sure you've gone through the indictment. How tight is the indictment? And when 11 counts in this indictment, but I don't believe that this is the end of it. Not for this organization, potentially, but other organizations of its ilk.
Well, I've looked through the indictment, and the primary issue here is how much of it involves financial actions that are unlawful. And those types of crimes are very, very difficult to defend against. I couldn't accidentally create another entity as my pass-through. I couldn't accidentally have that entity send multiple hundreds of thousands or even millions to third parties. This is the problem when the organization says our purpose is to resolve and address and help keep minimized bigotry and racism in America. But when that problem was solved, apparently, they worked like those toxic waste dump cleanup people and started creating their own. They did so with these financial transactions that are very serious and very, very difficult to defend against.
You know, if you create the problem that you say you were designed to solve as a charity, do you lose your charity status? Could they be stripped of their tax classification because actually they're making the problem worse instead of fixing it?
Well, if they get convicted of more than one of these 11 counts, they're very, very likely going to forfeit their nonprofit status. Here in America today, they looked around and they said, there's just not enough homegrown bigotry. And apparently they couldn't find foreigners to come in and do the bigotry, so they had to do the bigotry themselves by contracting out. It's novel, it's clever, it's dastardly, and it's also illegal.
Great to see you, Horace Cooper. Thank you so much. Please come back very soon. Enlightening you are, sir. Thank you.